Hey, I'm on Weston Homes in Bridgeland, and I'm gonna take you on a tour. We're gonna start this tour off in the kitchen. Love the lighting. I like the little accents that they have all through the house. I'm gonna point a few of these out. The unique and decorative backsplash they have on the kitchen. Love the granite. And so right over here, we got the breakfast area. Walk around. Nice downdraft vent, a 6-burner gas stove, and what I like about this is you have this little section over here, which sometimes they put in like a butler's pantry. I guess you could probably call this a butler's pantry, but we have a whole like wine bar area with a wine cooler. How cool is that? This is the living area. The 2 stories, so we have the vaulted ceilings. Before I show you the dining room, we'll go ahead and show you the primary bedroom. So there's a lot of the very unique and special touches they have, especially in the fixtures you can see throughout this house. I don't know why, I just really like that lighting. You have the accent lighting on the molding in the ceiling, which is really cool. So here's the primary bathroom. This is one of probably my favorite bathrooms that I've been through in model homes. So you have your bathtub in the center. Then if you look straight, you've got a walk-in shower, vanity, and then you have the makeup station. And then we have the other vanity over here. Look at this light. Isn't that so cool? And then this closet is massive. So like any other videos that I've mentioned, my little section would probably be this little tiny section right here. And the rest would be what is the laundry, which connects right to the master or primary closet. You have a sink. You can tell they have the special touches, backsplash, granite, in this room as well. Okay, let's walk back through here. Here's the half bath downstairs. Just back with the special touches they have all throughout, above the flooring. Guarantee you, bring your friends and family over, they come by, need to use a half bath. They've never seen a sink they've never seen a sink like this. Here's the formal dining room. All right, let's go upstairs. Okay, right when you walk in, that's the media room with the game room just to the right. In the game room, back to the lighting, you have the movie studio lights on top. It's just the fixtures all through this house. Looks great. Love what they did with the accent in the ceiling. Here's the upstairs bath. Guest bedroom. Go across the hall. And we have his and her, or Jack and Jill bathroom. So even in the guest baths upstairs, where a lot of times you'll see just your standard tile tub surround or your standard granite standard tub tile, they've really put in the extras to make it stand out. Hope you enjoyed the tour. This is the Hopkins floor plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, slightly under 3,600 square feet. And prices start at $560. And if you wanna learn more about Weston Homes, reach out to us or check out the model home in Bridgeland.